The arterial supply has three main arteries off of the aorta: the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, and inferior mesenteric artery. The celiac trunk provides the foregut, the superior mesenteric provides the midgut, and the inferior provides the hindgut. First, the celiac trunk gives off three arteries: the left gastric artery, splenic artery, and common hepatic artery. First, off the common hepatic is a proper hepatic artery, and that splits into the right and left hepatic arteries. And off the right is the cystic artery, and there's also the right gastric artery, which anastomoses with the left gastric artery. Next is the gastroduodenal artery off the common hepatic, which splits into the right gastroepiglottic and the superior pancreatic duodenal. The splenic artery is the short gastric artery and the left gastroepiglottic. Moving on to the superior mesenteric artery, it has the ileocholic artery, the right cholic artery, and the middle cholic artery. Then off the ileocholic are the jejunal and ileal branches. Next is the inferior mesenteric artery, which has the left cholic artery for the descending colon, the sigmoid arteries for the sigmoid colon, and the superior rectal artery for the rectum. So for the venous return, there is the portal and the caval system. First, the portal system, you're going to see there's the portal vein, and then coming off of that is the left gastric, splenic, which off of the splenic has the inferior mesenteric, which is different from the arteries. And then also off the portal vein is the superior mesenteric. And this is all with unilateral veins. Now, looking at the caval system is with veins that have pairs or rights and left. So you can see that it has the hepatic vein, inferior phrenic, renal, gonadal, and common iliac veins. There are four places where these two systems can anastomose or connect. And the first is the esophageal vein in left gastric, then the paraumbilical vein in small epigastric, then the superior rectal vein in the middle and inferior rectal, then the veins of the ascending and descending colon and lumbar veins. The lymphatic system has preaortic visceral nodes, which are right here, which is the celiac nodes, which provides the foregut. Right here is the superior mesenteric nodes, which provides the midgut, and right here is the inferior mesenteric nodes, which collect from the hindgut. There are also the paraaortic nodes, which has the lateral nodes and the lumbar nodes. These collect from posterior abdominal wall, the kidneys, the suprarenals, the ureters, and the testes and ovaries. Both of these collect and go to the cisterna chyli, which then goes up posterior to the heart, up here, posterior to the thoracic duct, and it ends all the way up here at the venous angle.